In the vast and awe-inspiring expanse of the cosmos, a groundbreaking discovery has been made by the most advanced and powerful telescope ever created, the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST. Designed to peer into the earliest light of the universe, its data has now revealed something so unsettling and perplexing that it has left the scientific community and the general public in a state of wonder and apprehension. The JWST has captured images and signals from regions of the universe that defy our current understanding of physics, cosmology, and the very nature of reality itself. The JWST was launched on December 25, 2021, and since then it has been sending back unprecedented data that has challenged our most fundamental assumptions about the universe. One of the most striking discoveries made by the JWST is the existence of a small, seemingly insignificant yellow splotch at the very edge of the observable universe. Upon closer examination, astronomers were left bewildered as their assumptions crumbled. This tiny, glowing blob was not just another galaxy. It was the most distant galaxy ever seen, formed just 290 million years after the supposed birth of the universe. However, the most peculiar aspect was that it was too massive, too bright, and too evolved to have formed so soon after the Big Bang. By our current theories, there simply wasn't enough time or matter to form galaxies like this in the early universe. But this was just the beginning. The JWST has now found dozens more of these cosmic paradoxes, each one breaking every rule we thought we understood about the early universe. Some of these early universe objects aren't just massive, they're completely foreign to anything we've ever seen before. Unlike normal galaxies, which convert about 10% of their gas into stars, the JWST discovered at least 3 galaxies that have turned 100% of their matter into stars. No gas, no dust, just pure blazing starlight, something that's impossible according to every existing model of galaxy formation. As scientists delve deeper into this enigma, they are now asking a far more terrifying question. What if these aren't galaxies at all? What if we're not seeing the early universe, but something else entirely? A structure from another dimension, a remnant of a previous cosmos, or an intrusion from another universe altogether. To understand why this discovery is shaking cosmology to its core, we need to talk about the Hubble sphere and the observable universe. The farther away an object is, the faster it moves away from us due to the expansion of space. At a certain point, called the Hubble sphere, galaxies are moving away from us faster than the speed of light. Common sense says we shouldn't be able to see those galaxies, yet we can. That's because space itself is expanding, and the boundary of what we can see keeps stretching. But beyond that boundary lies something terrifying, a region of the universe that we will never reach, and that will never reach us. And yet, the JWST is now picking up light and signals from these impossible zones, light that should never have reached us, which leads to one conclusion. We are seeing beyond the edge of our universe, and no one knows what lies on the other side. Webb's data is forcing scientists to ask the unthinkable. What if the universe never had a beginning? Some Nobel laureates are now openly questioning the Big Bang model. If galaxies could form faster than physics allows, if light can reach us from beyond cosmic boundaries, and if structures appear that defy time, scale, and mass, then maybe we've misunderstood everything. Maybe the early universe isn't early at all. Maybe what we're seeing isn't a timeline, but a fracture, a place where 2 universes overlap, or worse, where something far older than our universe is bleeding through. Among the JWST's most overlooked discoveries is not a visual image, but a strange frequency. While measuring the background noise of the universe, Webb's instruments detected a faint, rhythmic oscillation, one that does not match any known cosmic phenomenon. It's not a pulsar, it's not gravitational waves, it's not cosmic microwave background distortion. This frequency repeats at precise intervals as if it were generated. Some astrophysicists have started calling it the heartbeat beyond time. Others are more cautious, suggesting it might be a signature of exotic matter, something that could exist only outside the boundaries of our universe. And here's the chilling part. This frequency is not random. It follows a mathematical pattern, as if something or someone encoded it to be discovered. One of the telescope's unexpected findings is a huge imbalance between what we see and what we feel. Galaxies located at the farthest distances appear to have enough gravity to bend light, distort space, and even affect surrounding structures, yet no visible matter is present. This isn't just dark matter, it's something else. Some researchers now believe Webb is detecting massive gravitational anomalies that don't correlate with any known source. These phantom mass fields act like cosmic fingerprints, pressing down on space-time from a place we cannot see. But where are they coming from? Some theorists are beginning to suggest the unthinkable. We're seeing the shadow of another universe colliding with our own. What if everything we see has a mirror image we cannot see? Not metaphorically, but physically. A fringe theory once dismissed by mainstream cosmologists is gaining traction again, that there exists a mirrored universe where time flows in the opposite direction and the laws of physics run backward relative to ours. What's changed? The JWST has captured evidence of particle behaviors and rotational patterns in distant galaxies that suggest a symmetry, as if two different cosmic systems are overlapping. It's as though our universe is being pulled in one direction, while another one, just out of reach, is moving in reverse. If true, we may not be alone in the multiverse, we may be entangled with a shadow reality that reflects our own. In a final twist, one of Webb's long-range instruments was tracking a light signature from the edge of the observable universe. It was expected to fade. It was expected to disappear forever, as most light from distant sources eventually does. But then it reappeared, not from the same direction, not from the same time, but with the same spectral fingerprint, as if the light had been sent out and bounced back from something. The telescope had just observed a cosmic echo. But echo of what? There are only two possibilities. Either the light circled back around the curvature of the universe, which would imply that space is finite and closed, or it hit something else, something at the very edge, something capable of reflecting light, something that shouldn't be there. The JWST was built to peer into the past, to reveal how the universe began, but instead it has done something far more terrifying. It may have shown us that our universe is not alone. The impossible galaxies, the phantom masses, the mirrored patterns, the pulse, the echo. Each discovery chips away at the illusion of certainty, at the comforting idea that we understand where we are, when we are, and what we are. A Nobel Prize-winning physicist warned us, this is not our universe. And maybe that's the truth we were never meant to face. Maybe we're drifting on the edge of something ancient, massive, and indifferent. A deeper structure, a larger reality, a universe behind the universe. So now the real question is not whether we're alone in the cosmos. It's whether we're even in the right one. Let us know in the comments. Do you believe the James Webb Telescope has already seen into another universe? Or is our understanding of reality just beginning to crack? Subscribe and turn on notifications because the cosmos just blinked back. and whatever it is out there has seen us. This discovery has far-reaching implications for our understanding of the universe and our place within it. It challenges our most basic assumptions about the nature of reality and the very foundations of physics and cosmology. It raises questions about the nature of time, the structure of the universe, and the possibility of other universes or dimensions. It forces us to rethink our understanding of the universe's origins and its ultimate fate. And it reminds us that, despite all our advances in science and technology, we are still a tiny speck of dust in an infinite and mysterious cosmos, struggling to understand the secrets that lie hidden within its depths. In conclusion, the discovery of these distant, impossible galaxies and the strange frequency detected by the JWST has shaken the foundations of cosmology and forced us to re-evaluate our understanding of the universe. The implications of this discovery are far-reaching and profound, and it will take many years of research and observation to fully understand what we are seeing and what it means for our understanding of the universe. But one thing is clear: the cosmos is a far stranger and more mysterious place than we ever imagined, and it is humbling to contemplate the vastness and complexity of the universe that lies beyond our reach. Let us continue to explore, to question, and to seek answers to the mysteries that lie hidden within the cosmos, for it is only by doing so that we can truly understand our place within it and our role in the grand tapestry of the universe.